I'm Deputy Plum with the Sheriff's Office.
Deputy Plum.
All right. Do you have an ID on you or anything?
Sure do.
Can I borrow that from you?
Sure can.
What's going on today?
I came here and I was sitting at the bar having a drink with my friends. I come here multiple times. When I tell you I've spent thousands of dollars at this hotel, From the bar to staying at the hotel to everything. This is my hotel I come to.
Okay, you're at the bar.
I'm at the bar drinking, and the guy that has no shoes, he's not over here.
Security guy, okay.
Oh, he's not over here, sorry. He's not the one with no shoes. He has no shoes. Every time I come to this place, whether I'm staying, if I'm not staying, I go to that little convenience store, whatever the fuck it is.
Probably, thank you.
To check in and get your wristband so you can get in the lazy river and the slide.
Okay.
Bring my son and my daughter here. 24.
Yes, but what happened today?
24/7.
Okay, what happened
I'm sitting at the bar,
Uh-huh.
and the dude with no shoes comes to my people that I bought a hotel, $400 hotel room, comes to my people and says something to my people for what?
Well, what did he say?
I don't know.
Okay, anyway, so what happens?
He was talking shit to them.
About what?
I
What did he
don't
say?
know. I wasn't
How
there.
do you know he's talking shit?
They need to leave the pool.
Okay, so he asked him to leave the pool. So you know what he said.
They need to leave the area.
Okay, so you know what he said.
They need to leave the area, but I paid. There you go.
I don't need that.
I paid.
Okay, so then what happens?
So then what happens is I've seen this man multiple times. I've seen
Yes,
this
I get
man,
it. You come here all the time. I get it. So
I've seen him multiple times.
got it.
Went and got my tickets, and I was like, "Here's my tickets."
Did he ask you to leave?
He did.
Okay. Did you leave?
What would I leave for when I paid?
Didn't he ask you to leave?
For what?
Did he ask you to leave?
For what though?
I'm asking you a question. Did he ask you to leave?
Yes. Why did?
And then you did not leave, right?
Why did he ask me to leave?
I don't know. That's a good question. You tell me.
I'm asking you.
I don't know. Doesn't
I'm
matter.
asking you.
It's private property. If they
What do
ask
you
you to
mean
leave,
is
you have
that-
to leave.
What do you mean when I paid $400?
All right. So I'm not going to argue with you. You're getting trespassed. Okay, Kyle. Can you say the words?
So no.
You just say no. Yeah. Kyle, you don't have to listen. I don't care.
No.
Okay.
I want to know what I'm getting trespassed for.
It's private property. They could trespass you for
So
anything
who
they
is
want.
above you, so we can talk to him.
Nope. That's not how this works.
No, what do you
Okay?
mean that's not how that works? What do you mean that's not how that works? I'm asking
So,
you for your sergeant.
Ma'am, you're about to go in handcuffs, so you better
I'm
back up right now.
I'm asking you for your sergeant.
You don't.
I'm asking you for your
Guess
sergeant.
what, Dallas County Sheriff's Office? We don't have to get you a supervisor, okay?
You don't have to get
Let's
me
go
a
get your
supervisor.
stuff, okay? Because you're
You
leaving.
don't have to give me a supervisor.
I'm going to give you one more chance to leave, and then you're going to go in handcuffs. You understand?
I'm going to call 911.
No, you're not.
Don't touch my phone.
Oh, now we're going to jail.
You're touching me, and I didn't do nothing wrong. You're about to get in trouble for real. What the fuck are you touching me for? What the fuck are you putting me on the floor for?
Stop resisting. Stop
What
resisting.
are you putting me on the floor?
Stop resisting.
Why am I arrested? Why am I
Stop resisting.
Why am I arrested?
You got that one?
Why am I arrested? Why am I arrested? Why am I arrested?
Stop moving your arm.
Why am I arrested? Why am I arrested? Yeah, my whole coochie out. Why am I arrested? Sir?
You good? Yeah, I'm good.
Sir, why am I arrested?
I'll tell you
You
after.
you put me in handcuffs before you read my Miranda rights.
Yep.
You're gonna
Don't need to read a Miranda.
Alright, you'll see.
Let me know when you're ready.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I'm gonna get to lock me.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay,
Why
stand
am
up.
I arrested?
Well, right now you have disorderly intox as a charge.
For what?
Disorderly intoxication.
For what?
Then you're refusing
For
to
what?
leave.
For refusing to leave, I have my friends in my room. So
Not
what am I
anymore, you
arrested
don't.
for? What am I arrested
Told
for?
you disorderly intoxication.
What am I arrested for, though?
Get in.
Can you tell me what I'm arrested for?
I've already told you 3
You
times.
haven't
Get in.
told me.
Get in the car.
I will leave. Give me my stuff and I will leave.
Get in the car right now, or you will get tased.
I said I will leave. Can
Get
I
in the
leave?
car.
Can I leave?
Get in the car.
I have 2 kids at home.
Put
Can
your
I leave?
legs in the car right
Can I
now.
leave? Can I leave, please?
So, her room is 327. I don't know if there's kids up there or if the other adults are
She's saying some friends are up there.
There was kids.
She also said she had four
Hey,
kids here.
yes, was your kids with her yesterday? Was your kids with her? She told Russ that she had 3 or 4 kids. Yeah.
She had 2 and then she had 4.
She was with adults down there. Okay. 3 adults, 2 women, and 1 guy, I guess.
Okay.
What am I arrested for? Did you guys just put me in handcuffs for what?
Disorderly intoxication.
No, you're wrong.
Yeah.
Do you have a camera?
Okay.
Because you're about to get in trouble. Because you put me in handcuffs for no reason.
Do you have kids up there? How did you get out of the handcuffs?
You have no reason to put me in handcuffs.
Get out of the car.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Well, you just.
I did
that's
nothing
another,
to
that's
you.
now a felony
I
charge.
did
Turn around.
nothing to you. I did nothing to you.
Turn
What
around.
the fuck do you
I don't
mean?
know what your problem
I did
is.
nothing to you. What the fuck do you got going on? What do you got
Those are
going on
tight,
for real?
Really?
What do you
Yeah,
got going
swear to
on
God.
for real? You're arresting me for what?
You're gonna be a little tighter then.
For what? For what?
Told you a million times.
For what? For what?
Told you already.
For what? For what? Okay, so let me leave. Get my money back
No,
and
you're
let me
under
leave.
arrest. I told you that already.
Under arrest for
I'm not
what?
unarresting you.
For what?
Disorderly intox.
Disorderly intox. What? I didn't do nothing to you.
Get inside.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Can you stop talking for like 2
I
seconds?
did nothing to y'all. What do you mean? I did nothing to you. I did nothing to you. I'm going through enough, and I did nothing to you. Oh my god. Can you get my friends, please?
Really?
They're in my room.
What's your room now? Alright, give us a second. Watch your knee, please.
Are you kidding
Thank
me?
you.
So what happened today? Give me
Well-
the quick rundown here.
The bar railing there, I was on the other side.
Yep, in the
She
pool
was-
area.
In the pool area. She was sitting on the other side with her friends. One of her friends got up to walk around and get in the pool. And I just mentioned to her friend that she needed a wristband. Her friend was perfectly cool.
Yep.
And her other 2 friends were perfectly cool. She spun around and went off on me about how she's got a villa here and blah, blah, blah. And every time I see her, I've never seen her in my life.
Okay.
But she's like, every time I see her, you're harassing me and I got a villa here, I shouldn't have to fucking. So then her friends got her calmed down, I think, and she left.
So she's swearing and yelling
Oh,
at
she
you,
was
like
screaming.
in front of, like at the pool area, in front of kids and everything.
Then she left, and her friend, the guy friend, came up and was like, "I appreciate you. She's going through all this." And I'm like, "Fine." So I was in the park walking around, and then right underneath the slide, she came in the park and found me, and started screaming at me. So I
What was she saying?
that I would not here to talk to her, and she'd already complained to the manager, and I was going to lose my job, and on and on.
Like literally yelling?
Screaming. I mean,
Okay.
screaming.
Okay.
Screaming. Fuck, 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 fuck. And I'm like, look, there's kids around. Just calm down.
Yep.
I said, why don't you follow me back to the bar? And then so I went to the bar, and I told the bartender to cut her off.
Yeah.
You know?
Because she's been drinking,
And then
obviously.
she went off. And then she kept going on. And then the bartender's like, look, you got to calm down. He goes, I'll do whatever the fuck I want. He goes, no, you won't. So then they called one manager down. I don't know what he did. He didn't do much. Then the next thing, Kyle showed up. And Kyle, you know,
He's the one that called us.
yeah, he tried to calm her down. She wouldn't calm down. He told me, look, I'm going to refund you your money for your room.
Yep.
And me need to leave the property. Because if not, I'm going to call the police. She went off. She goes, just see what happens, you know. And then you guys showed up, you know. So
Okay.
that's basically it.
Good enough for me.
Oh yeah, can you talk to my dad, please?
Yeah.
In a minute.
The-
So, here's
her
what's gonna
dad
happen.
is the
Okay.
one who got the room. We had the
No,
manager.
let him talk. Let him
Okay,
talk.
so-
The manager.
Drea, let me
Okay,
talk.
so
I'm glad you're here.
she was
because-
trespassed, okay?
Okay.
Which means
But we
everybody's
left
gotta
her
go.
at the pool though.
But listen,
Before
she
she
wasn't.
was
okay.
trespassed.
She didn't come with us.
But she didn't
She
take her
had
to
an
the room.
I just don't have a
but
physical.
her name is on the room.
I don't have a
Yeah,
physical
but
It's her
ID.
dad. It's her dad.
I understand.
She didn't have a
He's the
physical
first
ID,
one.
and we were all
Okay.
together earlier.
How long until he gets here?
He's
He
almost
said
how
20
long?
minutes. And the manager downstairs. I'm not trying to.
Hold
be
on, let him talk.
No, you're good. I'm listening.
Listen. So the manager and maintenance came upstairs and said, "You guys have 30 minutes till your dad gets here,"
Right.
which is her dad.
Okay.
Which we can't control a grown adult. We left when she was
Exactly.
arguing
So,
at the
okay.
security guard.
But here's the thing. Private property, right? They don't want you here. They're asking you to leave.
So they're gonna refund the money and everything else?
Okay, but
They
listen.
can, but you're going to have to take that up on a different day or even later today if you want.
But
Well, no, they
she
should
didn't
refund
pay
today
for
then.
this.
If we
Okay,
get kicked
then-
out, they need to refund it.
I understand, and they will.
I'll call my lawyer.
That's
Like, this
that's
bullshit.
Okay.
the
Hello?
Man, I'm calling my lawyer right now, bro. This is bullshit.
Okay, so,
I know.
alright, so real quick,
No, I'm calling my lawyer. This is
since
bullshit.
everyone's just been a headache today, this is what's going to happen, okay?
Let him come.
Everybody needs to go. All right. As far as your money's concerned, you can get that back at a later date. I'm sure they got a lot of money here. I'm sure they can refund you. However, for today, everybody needs to leave right now. Okay. They can get like 5 minutes to finish packing, but everybody's got to leave this room right now.
No,
Leave the
that's
property,
fine, but
okay?
Can we still get an explanation?
I haven't been
You
there.
got it. Whatever. It's all
Not from you.
Okay.
Love it.
Yeah, I haven't been there yet, so I don't know what's going on.
Okay. Well, I'm
see
sure
this
someone
place.
can fill you in when you do get here, but I'm just letting you know for when you get here. That's what's happening right now. Okay.
Can I?
Well, that got nothing to do with me. I mean, I can say that my son, right? He's 9 years old.
He's 10 years old. I heard little brother's
You might
on
have
the
to
way.
get another room, or you can just talk to the front staff when you do get here. Okay.
I spent like $350 on it.
Okay. All right. See.
So can
That's fine.
I,
We'll clean
can I
up.
talk to
We'll
you?
draw all this shit.
No, how about
We're gonna
this?
clean
How
up.
about this?
We're gonna
He's
respect
doing
you guys.
his
Can I
job.
talk?
We're gonna clean
Can I
up.
talk?
We're gonna go out to the
All right.
front.
Hold on.
Let my
All
dad.
right. Here we go.
Let
This is
me
what we're gonna
talk.
do. You go first.
Okay, listen. So, the girl that was being disrespectful.
Yeah.
We all left when she was being disrespectful
At
for
the
no
bar.
reason because
The guy was doing
she
his
wanted
job.
to dip her feet in the pool.
Yes.
The security guard said,
I-
"Hey, you need your wristband." We were
I
like,
get
"Okay."
that you're no
we
part of
didn't-
that, right?
No,
is
I
what
know.
you're saying, right?
So I don't want to. We don't want to be a cause to her dad and the property
Okay.
for something that we
Listen,
sent
what he's
away.
saying
Okay,
is this
but
is a
here's-
private property.
No, I
So
understand that.
here's what's going on though. Okay. This is where it's kind of like guilty
but,
by
but
association.
He came
Hold
here,
on
though,
one
and
second.
told us we
Okay.
have an hour
So
and a
said
she's
we
half.
had
part of
an
your
hour.
group though, right?
No, she had the ID earlier
I don't
before
have
we
my
got
ID
here.
right now.
She
Okay,
drove
but
alone.
she's part of you guys.
She drove
You guys
alone
are
here.
all a group of friends, a group of people, whatever. You
No.
can say
No,
no,
no, no,
all you
we
want,
were
but you all
together.
say okay.
No,
but
she
you're all
got-
together.
Hey,
is what I'm
listen,
saying.
it is what it is.
Basically,
So,
yes.
we're not getting out of this.
Basically, yes.
Right.
Yeah, there's
Basically,
really no
yes.
part
We
of
invited
that.
her,
I got you, but
So
now you all
now
have
I
to go
feel
because
bad.
of her actions.
but we told
Yeah.
we
I
we
understand.
left.
It is what it dread.
I got you.
It's over with.
But
Look, it's
the
over
hotel
with.
staff
We gotta
doesn't
go.
want to trespass anybody
It is
right
what it
now,
is.
but they want you to go.
It is what it is.
However, if you don't go, then we are going to trespass you.
You guys can-
And then if you don't go after that,
We're gonna leave.
well, that's what
We're
happened
gonna
downstairs.
leave, but
So.
I feel
Let's
like
go, but what we're confused
Okay.
about is the
Maintenance-
guy. Let's go.
maintenance
But the guy
said that I
told
couldn't
us-
talk
Yeah,
to the
we'll go.
manager. He just
But
came
he
up here and
said
said, "You
though.
guys have an hour for
Okay.
your dad
But my
to get
dad
here
told
Well,
me
now-
just talk to
and get
him.
your things
They're
together."
telling us that they want you to go, so now I guess
We
I'm
had
the
to-
Because
Yeah.
bearer of
Yeah.
bad
Yeah.
news.
Fucking
So,
No, it's alright. It is what it is, bro. I know. I know.
trust
how
me,
it
I
goes.
get this
I
stuff.
get it, bro.
Can we clean
It's
up
not
all
you.
that?
Yeah.
So,
No.
You don't own the place, honestly.
yeah,
So
honestly, I
we'll just
don't,
clean up real quick, then we'll go.
that's fine. I don't care if you guys leave that shit there.
Yeah, that's why I said leave
Well, no, I
us
don't want
to
them to
the-
like. I don't want them to like
What the
charge him
fuck?
extra.
They're kicking us out. What
It's
the
trash.
fuck? Leave all the
Don't-
extra.
I would just grab
We
the-
Well, I don't want
pay
to charge Frank extra because we didn't clean or
Well,
something.
They're kicking us out anyways.
So,
Pick
yeah.
your shit
Alright.
up that you're
That's
drinking
fine.
and let's go.
All right, man, step out.
Did I call my mom? I want to call my mom.
Here, walk this way.
I don't have her number. I don't know her number.
You'll be able to get it out of your phone if it's in your phone.
You up here, put your feet underneath the step for
Are
me.
you the
Here.
subject? Can I talk to you for a second?
Already talked.
We haven't talked.
Okay, listen.
We haven't talked. Am I?
Watch your shins. Watch your
I
shins.
know, but can I talk to him for a
Face this way.
second?
You can talk to
forward.
him.
Keep going.
No. Keep your feet underneath the step just like that.
Can I talk to you?
Look towards the van.
You can look and talk, okay?
Did I talk to you? I did nothing wrong. I went to the manager in the office and I did nothing wrong.
Put your arms up for me.
I didn't cuss nobody out or anything. I have an autistic baby at home and I have my son at home. I don't understand why I'm getting arrested.
Disorderly intoxication.
What do you mean? I have a hotel. What do you mean I'm intoxicated? What do you mean?
You can smell it.
Smell what? That I had a drink? I'm not intoxicated. I have not shown no signs of intoxication. I got upset that I paid $400 for a room and they were trying to, the guy was trying to kick me out for it. I will leave.
It's their right to kick you
I
out.
will leave right now. I have two
Face
kids
the
at
van,
home.
please.
I have two kids at home, please. How am
When
I
you
gonna
get
get
there.
a hold of my
They're
mom?
gonna let you get a phone number out of your phone when you get there, okay? And then they'll let you get a phone call, okay?
1 step at a time. Watch your head. Go all the way to the front to safest part of the van.